I'm so excited right now. I think I'm actually gonna poop my pants. I cannot contain my excitement right now. You guys, it came. It finally came. It's like 2 p.m. I haven't taken a lunch break or anything from work because I've been waiting for this to come, and it's here and I can't wait. Okay, before we get into it, really quick disclaimer that without you guys, literally none of this would be possible. Like, I am able to do this because of you guys and also my hard work, but also you guys mean the world to me, and I'm so excited. I also wanted to say that although I am unboxing the newest iPhone for you guys today, don't feel that you have to give in to society's pressure to always have the newest and best electronics. I've been going on my iPhone XR for like 3.5 years, and I knew that I was going to upgrade to this one because it's just dead, and obviously a lot of my job is like being on my phone and taking pictures and stuff, so I want to upgrade it. But I don't want you guys to watch this and feel like you guys have to upgrade to the newest and best phone. If your phone still works, that is totally great. I just wanted to share this unboxing with you guys from the perspective of someone who isn't like a tech YouTuber. So I just want to say that, and I'm so excited, and I just can't believe it. Let's just jump into it because I'm just so excited. Oh my god. I'm sad though because I did hear that Apple took away like the plastic wrap part, which is like everyone's favorite. But we're just gonna get to it. I'm gonna try and do this as quick as possible so I can get it up super quick for you guys. Oh my god, this is like really in there. Guys, look what's in there. Oh my god, you guys, I can't believe I'm doing this. I can't believe it. Okay, all right. Oh my goodness, you guys. It is so beautiful. iPhone 13 Pro. So it has these like little pull tabs, so it's still kind of fun, but there's no plastic wrap anymore, which is obviously so much better for the environment. You can hear my candle cracking. Ready? Okay, definitely not as satisfying, but it's okay. What does that even do? I don't think that did anything. Ready? Oh my god, I can't even. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry, you guys. Look how beautiful it is. Oh my god. Can't believe that this is mine. Like, this is my phone. You guys, wow, okay. Oh my god, I don't even know where to start. Okay, so I got the space gray. I got the iPhone 13 Pro. I did not get the Max. It's an 128 gigabyte because I don't know, I thought that was enough. My iPhone XR, which I'm gonna take out of the case so I can show you guys, is 64 gigs. I did this, like I treated myself to this. Oh my god, okay. Oh my gosh. Right now, okay, ready? Oh my god, that's so satisfying. Look at how beautiful it is. Oh my god. So it comes with the little SIM card thing to get your thing out. Obviously another Apple sticker. And then now they don't come with the cubes. It just comes with the cord, which is fine because I have so many cubes. So it comes with just the typical phone cord. And wow, they've really cut down on the waste on this. I'm really impressed. I wanted to do a quick comparison of them for you guys because I know a lot of you guys said that you were upgrading your XR as well. So this is the camera difference. So the iPhone XR has like the one camera, this has 3. This is the size difference, front, and then just the 2 of them like together. And it looks honestly almost the same. It's obviously a little bit thicker, the Pro is, but okay. I don't even know what to do first. Turn it on. I'm so nervous. Why am I so nervous? Where's the home button? Guys, SOS, I don't know how to turn this on. It's turning on. How cute the font is on this phone. Okay. I'm gonna swipe up. I'm gonna press English, Canada, quick start. Bring your current iPhone near. I wasn't sure if I was gonna do this or not because I wanted to just like revamp this whole phone, but I think I'm gonna do it just to show you guys. Oh, okay, so it says set up new iPhone, unlock to continue. Continue. Up your new iPhone. I feel like they're so not. Oh my god, this phone is so cracked and old and ugly, you guys. Okay, it just says it may take a few minutes. Oh, Face ID. I guess we could set that up. Okay, continue. For data. I don't really know if I'm gonna do this. I guess maybe I'll do it after. I'm not gonna do it right now. Just because I've already like taken all my pictures and stuff off of it. Like I don't really need to. Agree. Oh my god, there's so much more screen. Everything is just so exciting about it. You guys, I literally think I'm about to poop my pants. I'm so excited right now. All right, make this your new phone. Oh, cool. So you can keep your Apple Watch connected. That's awesome. Continue. Continue. Okay, I'm adding my cards later just because, not now. Continue. Hey Siri. Sure, I don't care. Restoring from iCloud. Oh, I didn't want to do that because I didn't want any of the photos on it, but that's okay, I guess. Okay, well, I'll see you in a sec. So it is all loaded now. I just have to put my SIM card in it and, oh, okay, cool. It's downloading all of my apps, which is exciting. I guess while we're letting that download, I'll put my phone case on it while I'm waiting. I got a Casetify was super kind and they sent over a case for me. So we're gonna put that on there so that I don't obviously break my phone. So this is what it looks like. It's one of their new compostable cases. I'm super excited to see what it looks like with the gray. Look guys, we have satisfying plastic to make up for the phone. Ooh, so nice. I'm excited to see what it looks like with the, I can never take these things out. Oh, this is so cute. In it. All right, it's a good phone for the clicking, you know? And this is what it looks like. Oh, I actually really like this. This looks really great. Wow. Yay! Okay guys, I just put my glasses on so that I could like see everything while I was doing it, but she's here. She's so beautiful. You guys, I think I'm gonna cry right now. I'm literally so happy. But I am gonna go ahead and get this edited right now for you guys so I can get this up as soon as possible for you. I am gonna film a what's on my iPhone next week for you guys, so that way I can kind of go a bit more into detail just because it's gonna take forever for the apps to download anyway. So I figured that if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. It helps out so much. And let me know down below what phone you have. I would love to know if you grabbed anything from the new drop. And yeah, like I said, it's just gonna take a while for all of these apps. Like look how many apps there are that need to download. So many apps need to download. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this do its thing and then I will play around with it, get it all nice and customized, and then I'll show you guys next week what is on my iPhone. But once again, thank you guys so much for not only watching, but supporting me, because without you guys, I could not do any of this, quite honestly. I love you guys so much, and I think it's super important to thank you guys on big occasions like this, but also just every day, and I really hope I do a good job of that. But once again, if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. It helps out my channel so much, and I guess I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye!